morning, welcome to Option Center 32621. It is Friday. Hope everybody had a wonderful trading week. We certainly did. Here, we're gonna start off with our game plan just like every single day. We're gonna go on ES on multiple time frames, head over to a few trade ideas. I think it's gonna be kind of squirrely. I'm looking for a flush before headed back up, so I do believe tech looks like the weak one right now, but they look to be setting up pretty well, so they might rotate right into tech and take small caps down, and I'll show you why when we get down to lower time frames. But first, go over to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Option Center button, subscribe, and like the video. All right, thank you. Here we go. ES on the monthly, we're working on wave 5. We're still in inside month, have a few more days left to trade. Everything's looking bullish. MACD is up. RSI is not overbought. Let's move over to the weekly. Weekly, working on wave 5 of 5. Still holding that 8 MA, just trending nicely. It's holding up on the MACD, still in bullish territory. Slight divergence, so nothing to be too worried about. I think we're going up for a wave 5, so we'll look into this a little bit more as we go day by day, because we do this every day. So hit that notification button if you want to receive these videos daily. Going to the daily time frame, trend is our friend. All right, headed up here. We finished wave 2. We're headed up on a fresh wave 1 of wave 3. And I don't believe this wave 1 is over yet. We do have a crossover on the MACD, so that set us down for our correction, but that might be over. So let's see if we can wiggle our way back up, and especially since we use the 50 on the RSI as a support. So that's a good indication that we might try to head up, or maybe the MACD just moves sideways until we correct a little bit more after we make a slight new high. So we'll monitor this, like I said, every day. On the 65-minute chart, we use 65-minute candles just to keep them even throughout the trading day. And this is our wave 1 that we're working on. This is wave 1, 2, 3. And I believe we completed wave 4, and I got to admit, you guys, I was looking for a 5 wave down here. Instead, we got an ABC, ABC up, and ABC down to flush us out. So that would be into that. And the only reason why I think that's the end is because of this impulsive wave up. I actually thought this was going to be a bull trap. So I do have a couple puts here, and I put them on right before this 39. They're probably dead even right now. But we'll take those off after we get a slight bit more pullback this morning. They were some SPY puts because I think we have a wave 1, and then we should get a nice wave 2. And we're looking for somewhere around the 61.8 retracement. That's pretty typical for a wave 2. So what's going to drag us down? I actually think, and don't go playing this, but I actually think the small caps are going to drag us down, just because. Let's go over here to the small caps. We're at resistance. I think it had its impulsive wave 1 as well, and I think they're going to come down. But if you notice, tech, moving over to tech's already had its move. So it could go further down. I just don't think it's going to go much further down. We're actually right back. If this is a wave 1 here, which it doesn't really look like one. It looks like a 1, 2, 3 up here. But either way, if it is a wave 1 by chance, here's a 61.8 that it comes back to. But this is going to get dragged down further also. So maybe this makes new lows before it starts going up. I don't know that, but it's just curious that the RTY is also at resistance as well. Okay, some trade ideas. Aapl. I'm going to keep an eye on tech, because I want to get to some trade ideas. So if Aapl can come back and start to make a higher low, and get real tight here. We wanted to work this downtrend. We want to get out of this. So if we see a little bit of strength come back into tech, I think we're going to really look into these names. Apple, Tesla. Tesla's had its ABC move down, and I think we might be working maybe on a wave 1 here. Same thing. They look alike. Flgt. I love this name. So we're going to... Whoa. It's had an ABC pullback. And let's see if we can maybe come back a little bit today and then start heading up. So a lot of things are setting up. The banks and some of the small caps are just look extended in a very near term. So I think those are the ones that need to really pull back today. And we're pulling back. That's the QQQ. Same thing. Pulling back to that 61.8. We'll watch it here. Trying to cross over in the MACD. So yeah. So let's look for a quick pullback and then look to get into some names. And good luck trading today, guys. And we'll talk to you this weekend with the weekend recap. Okay, thanks for joining us here at Options Center.